is simplification of Boolean expressions. This is by using three methods. One by Boolean rules, laws and theorems. Next by Kmap, in short it is called Kmap. Third one is Kmap or tabulation method. Very important is Kmap and tabulation method. Definite 11 marks. In unit 1 they will ask either Kmap or tabulation or both. Now we'll see Kmap, which is very important. Kmap, 3 variable Kmap and then 4 variable Kmap. 3 variable Kmap, how I'm going to teach you how to group. Suppose we have ones here and zeros here. These two ones, adjacent ones can be grouped. How to write the min terms, that is how to write the SOP and POS, we will see in the next videos. I have done the some of the questions from the anonymous question paper. In that it will be taught. Now I am teaching only how to group. So these two, and this one can be joined either with this or this, doesn't matter. How many number of ones can be grouped? That I should tell first. How many number of ones can be grouped? Either 1 1 or 2 ones or 4 ones or 8 ones or 16 ones and so on. In powers of 2 only we have to group 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Now coming back to the grouping. So this is one type of grouping. Next you see this here. Maximum number of ones in a group and minimum number of groups. So here these 4 ones and then these 4 ones. Sometimes students, what they will do after grouping these 4 ones, they will group these 2 ones. No. Max objective is maximum number of ones in a group. So here maximum number of ones and this also maximum number of ones. Okay. Then coming to this part. Here how to group. Maximum number of ones in a group. As soon as anyone sees this, they will group this. Always do the grouping with pencil. If it is wrong, we can erase it. Okay. These 4 ones. Then the edges 4 ones can be grouped. Edges 4 ones. And then this 4 ones. Right? These 4 ones. Alternative is this can be eliminated and we can group these 4 ones. That is also possible. This one row group is not necessary. We can group these 4 ones. Clear? Next. This one, as soon as anyone sees this again, they will group these 4 ones. Then what they will do? They will group this one, this adjacent one, this one and this one. Finally what happens? The first group 4 ones becomes a redundant group because the ones has been grouped. The main thing is one we have to group it. One group pani aganum. So this group, the center 4 ones can be erased. Center 4 ones can be erased. Okay, that is not necessary. That is called as a redundant group. That is called as a redundant group. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, as I told you, these 2 ones, these 2 ones, these 2 ones, these 2 ones. Okay. Now coming here. In this Kmap, 4 variable Kmap, how is the grouping done? 4 ones, then this one, these 4 ones, this one we can group with this. This one we can group with this. Okay? Yeah. Suppose we don't have this one. Suppose we don't have this one, means what to do? This edges will not come. This grouping will not come. This grouping will not come. Suppose we don't have a 1 there, what should be done? Suppose we don't have a 1, what should be done? Suppose we don't have 1 there. How to group this? Here, these two ones will be joined with this, and this one will be joined with this one, and this is an isolated one. This is an isolated one. So we'll have 4 variables for this, 0, 0 and 1, 0. This is an isolated one, not joining with anyone. Okay. Now coming to grouping with don't cast. Don't cast marked as a X or D in some textbooks. We can treat the don't cast either as a 0 or a 1, whichever gives you the minimum Boolean expression. So when you look at this, as soon as you see this, what we done? Considering these two as ones, this can be grouped, and these two ones and this one. This is considered as zeros. No need to group this. Okay? In the this don't cast is not used here. Now coming to this this Kmap, here this is considered as ones, so 4 ones, and this is also considered as ones, therefore 4 ones. Okay, here 2 don't casts are left over. Here all the don't casts have been used. Now coming to this point, in this, these 2 ones, 4 ones in a group. In the don't care use panla தேவையே இல்ல. This don't cast is not used at all for grouping. Now coming here, the last one. If you see this, what anyone will do in the beginning, பார்த்தவனே they will group these 4 ones, considering this as ones. Then the edges, the rendu one, these 2 and these 2. So totally 2 groups of 4 ones. These 3 don't cast, we are not at all using it. அது தேவையே கிடையாது. Okay va? So here this minimum don't cast, here maximum don't cast not used. Here don't care use பண்ணல. Here all the don't cast have been used. Now what is SOP? So, SOP is nothing but sum of products, where each term is called as a min term. அதுல A is 1 and A dash is 0. That is, a variable is treated as 1, and the sometimes A dash or A bar. Some students write A dash badala, they will write A bar. Anything is okay, but my usual practice is I'll write A dash. Okay, so this is min term. Next is product of sums, which is called as max term. A is treated as 0 and A dash is treated as 1. All this with clear cut explanation more will be found in the next videos, part 1, part 2, Dpsd, Kmap, part 1, part 2, part 3, okay, and so on. There I've done some questions from the anonymity question paper. You can see that. Okay, I think this is enough. Basics of Kmap.